What's up, guys? Another great day here at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. Today, we're going to be talking about the all-new Michael Phelps Chili Goat. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so first things first, we're going to start with everything that comes with your brand new Michael Phelps Chili Goat. Obviously, the Chili Goat itself, right? You do not get one of these pretty mats, I'm so sorry, but you do get the cover, the unit itself. It's going to come with a little kit here, your first kind of starter kit of chemicals. First off, we're going to have the pre-filter. This attaches to the hose. It's going to help remove some of those minerals out of the water, especially out here in Arizona where we do have very hard water. This is super helpful. Next up, we're going to have a three-way test kit to test your water. These are pretty easy to take care of, though. Bacteria doesn't grow in cold water the same way it does in hot water. Moving on to chemicals, we have Cold Tub Refresh. This is your chlorine-free oxidizer. Okay, so we're going to do that probably once a week, once every couple weeks. Next up, we have your pH and alkalinity down. Okay, so if pH is high, alkalinity is high, obviously we're going to use it down. Vice versa, your up comes with it as well, right? So if it's too low, we're going to use this, bring the pH and alkalinity up, right? Lastly, we're going to get our actual cold tub concentrated chlorine. This is very important. You cannot use the standard hot tub dichlor that we use for our other systems in this cold tub. It is too thick. It's too big. We need this super, super granulated dichlor, okay? Next up, we have this tool here. This is a number 2 Robertson head bit. We're going to use that to pop the panels on and off. A few screws down there. We have a net, pick up some of the floaties in there, and then we have the actual filter that comes into the tub. Remember, never put your filter into the tub until it's already full. We want to use that filter spout to fill the cold tub. Here at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas, we have 2 Chili Goats running. We have one cold and one hot. The reason we're doing that is to show this unit can go from 40 degrees all the way up to 104 degrees. You can use it for both hot and cold therapy. These are the standard Chili Goat models. We do have a Denali coming out that's going to be 2-sided. Okay, so moving forward, let's get into the actual Chili Goat unit. As you can see, we have our standard acrylic just like we use on everything else. Here, though, we use our non-slip flooring. It is very comfortable, especially getting in and out of this. Master Spas did a fantastic job with that. We do have our filter set up right in here. Your filter sits in there with the standard weir. Obviously, that's going to catch bacteria. The really, really cool thing that makes the Chili Goat different from the other cold tubs on the market, most cold tubs do not have a circulation pump. The Chili Goat does. The reason that's important is when you're sitting in cold water, without the water moving, if it is still, your body builds up a thermal barrier, right? When we have that, we're not getting the same effect. With that circulation pump, it does not allow your body to do that, which makes the water colder. It sounds horrible, but it's actually fantastic once you're done with it. Another thing to take note of, the Chili Goat uses a UVC Germicidal Light. That's going to help with keeping the water clean, obviously eliminating bacteria. So that is involved right down here, as you can see. We do also have a nice little button up here to turn the lights on and off. So we do have the color changing lights in here, really nice at late nights. And we do have the armrests back in the back there. Moving into how the Chili Goat actually works, how it heats and cools. It uses a heat pump here, and that's what gives us the capability to go from 40 to 104. There is a control panel right in here back beneath this panel, but this is actually all smartphone controlled. So as you can see, I have the Smart Life app pulled up on my phone. I can control up, down, and temperature. I control working modes. I can control everything that I need to on this Chili Goat with my phone, which is a pretty awesome feature. All right, guys, so last couple of things to talk about. To me, the absolute coolest one, this unit is 110 volts. It's plug and play. So with this little wire here, this is going into an outlet. It is Gfci protected, so it'll protect if anything shorts. Down here, we do have the condensation line. Obviously, with that amount of cold water, we are going to create condensation. Just run that off the backside of the unit. You probably won't notice it. Now, in closing, we do have these units running here at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. We're located in Tempe, right next to the IKEA. If you'd like to do a wet test, we really encourage it. Our phone number is 480-389-9799. Please schedule a wet test. We will help you through the breathing. We'll help you through that mental battle of sitting at 40-degree waters for 5 minutes. So give us a call. Let's get you in here. Come try them. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more helpful tips and some more unveiling videos that we'll have coming soon. Thanks.